Starting your own private practice can be both exciting but also quite scary. There's lots of decisions to make. Where am I going to locate my practice? Who's my staff going to be? What am I going to charge? How am I going to support myself when my practice grows? What am I going to do about a website? So many decisions, they can be overwhelming. I know because I've done this myself, and I can tell you that one of the ways that you can make things easier is by creating a vision. And that's why my talk called Creating a Vision and Applying It to Build Your Practice is going to help you streamline your process and create the practice of your dreams. I'm going to tell you about why creating a vision is so important as the first step in starting your practice, how to create that vision, and then how to apply that vision as you design and build the practice of your dreams. I hope to see you at the conference. Happy to answer your questions. My name is Dr. Matthew Mintz. I'm an internal medicine and primary care physician, and I look forward to talking to you soon.